Okay, hello everyone. So welcome to our video. My name is Sinta Sribujawati and I'm from class L.
My name is Sarah Maron Alras and I'm from class L2. Today we are going to talk about our hobbies and we will discuss it together.
Okay, yes, our hobbies is something that we usually do when in our free time, right?
Right. So let's get started.
Okay, Cheryl, I'm so curious. So, what usually you do when you're free time?
In my free times, I usually watching to movie and listening to music.
Okay.
What about you?
For me is I like drawing when my free time, and I like to listening to music. So and then even I can mix both of hobbies like drawing and listening to music.
Oh, you like drawing? Since when?
Maybe since I was kid, cause I like drawing. Cause when I was kid, I like watch a cartoon and then
You try to draw it.
it. So when I like the character, I draw it often. Like maybe when in my childhood is I like drawing like Naruto and then cartoon, some band and then yes, the other is like that. So when do you usually watch movies?
I usually watch movie at night, like after from college or on my free times or when I have a watch list.
Oh, for me is I usually drawing when I had free time and usually at night. Yes,
Same.
at evening. Yes,
So what do you usually draw?
I usually draw that something like people or maybe cartoon and realism something or maybe like manhwa.
Yes.
Do you like manhwa?
Yes, I
Yes.
like
Something manhwa, manga, and then anime. So I had some in TikTok. I had account that I usually express my hobbies by drawing and make some short comic. And then many of my videos also get many viewers. So yes, but now I think I'm busy, so I rather to drawing. I think because yes, I'm now in my college is really many tasks and meeting. So do you like movies?
Yes.
What kind of movies do you like?
I like horror movies, thriller, or an action.
Horror movies. What the last horror movies that you watch?
Yesterday I've just watched Salmokji at cinema.
At cinema?
Yes, with my friends.
Oh, from what? Country?
That's movie from Korea.
Oh, Salmokji. Oh,
Salmokji. It's a place name in
Oh,
Korea.
in Korea. I think that's interesting. So, what about thriller?
Thriller. I think Incantation, but it's like horror, but it's thriller. Incantation.
Oh, I knew that. I had watching that movies.
movies.
Yes, that's so. I'm so scary.
Yes.
So the last one is action, right?
Yes.
For action, what movie that action your favorite?
I like The Maze Runner. Do you know that?
Oh,
The Maze Runner.
The Maze Runner. So the Maze Runner is what? How the movie is?
It's about. So The Maze Runner has 3 seasons, and the first one is they're in labyrinth,
Oh,
and the second one in
the zombies.
in
Oh,
city.
I knew that. So I forget the title, but I knew that.
Yeah.
I like the boy who is the
runner?
best runner. Yes,
Minho.
Minho. Yes, I love him.
I
love his
Newt.
character.
I like Newt.
I knew him. So and then so the next hobbies is what?
Listening to music. We
Oh.
have some same hobbies.
Okay. For listening to music, so what kind of music do you like?
I like K-pop, and sometimes I listen to music that match my mood.
Oh, what kind of K-pop? K-pop is many genre and group.
I like from the group I like NCT, ENHYPEN, New
And then?
Jeans, aespa.
Oh, I knew. So, what the most favorite songs from K-pop you're usually listening?
In NCT I like Candlelight. In ENHYPEN I like Moonstruck. In New Jeans I like New Jeans. In aespa I like Better Things.
I knew that. Okay.
What about you? What do you
So,
like
music.
in music?
For me, cause I had a lot of time spend my time for music, so I have specific genre for music, pop and R&B songs. So the artist that I usually listen is Party Next Door, Simon Walker, SZA, Drake, and the old Justin Bieber songs,
Oh.
like All Matters and Party Next Door is many songs from him, and Kehlani, I like your body the
I
side,
know that
Kehlani,
song, yes.
and the Kehlani songs. And then for pop it's many pop songs that from American song like that. English song usually, I think that.
Have you ever draw an idol?
For drawing, I had draw an idol in my high school. Many of my friends ask me to draw the idol, like maybe NCT from so Kai EXO. I had draw DO EXO, and then Haechan NCT. I like them. I like them too, so I draw them.
Do you think drawing is hard?
I think it's not hard because it is something is I like and fun to do. Okay,
So you enjoy because it's your hobby and you're not feeling difficult because it's your hobby.
of course that things, yes, that's right. So do you think is hobby is really important?
Yes, I think hobbies is important because it can help us to relax and reduce stress.
Okay, so for me it is important because it can to express my feeling, express my hard times
Creativity.
express my creativity. When in my junior high school, I had a time when the thing is really hard to hard experience, and then I express myself with drawing. So I'm not kind of people who make a diary, not a diary. I'm kind of people who express my feeling with drawing like that.
And hobbies also can make us feels happy, even
Yes.
it's simple hobbies.
Okay, that's right. So we think the hobby is important, right? Okay, we think that's it for now. So
From our video.
okay, thank you.
Bye.